Welcome back to your daily stock update. Today is October 18th, 2025, and we're focusing on Bigbear.AI Holdings, ticker symbol BBAI, a leading AI and analytics company. As of today, BBAI is trading at around $7.42, down approximately 3.6% from the previous close of 7.7. The stock's day range has been between 7.1 and 7.73. Showing some short-term volatility. The company's market cap stands near $2.75 billion. Over the past year, BBI stock has ranged from a low near 1.51 to a high above 10, reflecting significant price movement amid growing interest in AI technologies. Financially, Bigbear.AI reports a negative earnings per share of minus 1.58 and a negative price-to-earnings ratio, highlighting the company's investment stage and growth focus. The stock trades above both the 50-day moving average of 6.30 and the 200-day moving average of 5.10, suggesting positive momentum. For trading strategy, watch support levels near 7 and resistance around 8. Traders might consider buying near support with stop losses below 6.8 to manage risks. A breakout above 8 could signal further gains towards 9 and 10. Long-term investors should keep an eye on Bigbear.AI's product developments and expanding client base in the AI analytics space. That's your Bigbear.AI stock update for October 18th, 2025. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for continuous market updates. Thanks for watching.